went shopping. For somebody with zero talent, I sure do be spending a lot of money on makeup. Make my pockets hurt. Yeah, if I wanna spend it, make me spend it. Make my pockets hurt. Make a hurt. Hi. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is not your first time here, welcome back. Today, exactly like the title indicates, you already know what is going on. So this video is basically going to be a makeup haul video and also a first impression video because I'm gonna do my whole face from everything I bought under $5. No item here is over 3,500 naira. So I basically got everything from an Instagram shop, from two Instagram shops, and I'm going to leave them down below. They both ship nationwide in Nigeria, so if you live in Nigeria, honey, you know what to do. I'm not even sponsored though. Without further ado, I'm excited to show you guys what I got. All my first testing and first impressions will be filmed on this video, so I can give you guys the professional take on different things. Okay, you guys, let us start this. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is this eyeshadow palette. This is the EveryBeauty Mini Breaker palette. So I actually got this palette from my mom. She doesn't have a colorful palette and I just thought that this would be so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at the colors, you guys. I don't want to swap test them because it's my mom's palette. She hasn't used it yet and it was a gift for her, so I don't believe in testing out someone else's thing before them. I wish I got one for myself, so I'm not going to be testing it, but these are among the things I got. The next thing I'm going to show you guys is this. You may not know what this is. I didn't either. I thought it was to apply powder, but apparently it's for washing your face. If you guys knew before, let me know. It's a sponge, by the way, and these are like individual sponges. Yeah, I will try to use it to wash my face, but mostly I will use it to apply my powder underneath my eyes. The next thing I'm gonna show you guys is this. Is the neon pigment, and this is 6 shades for this price. Ever since I laid my eyes on this, I have been itching to get it, and I finally did. And the first impression I had for it was, wow, this is really small. It still say what the hell. My enemies will not succeed. Next I'm going to show you guys is this. I depend on these things a lot, so I got 2 of it. But this is the Davies eyeliner and lip liner pencil. I love this a lot because I use it for my brows and I also use it for my lips. So this brow is going to be the brow with the eye pencil. Can you see the pigment on my skin? Why am I even reviewing this? I've used this a lot. So brow 1 done. The next one that I don't know how to use is this, the eyebrow gel from Ministar Professional Makeup in the shade O2. Look at it here. And the container is really big and it comes with like this mini brush. Yeah. I'm going to try to use it with this. I highly doubt it's gonna work. So I'm just gonna do it the exact same way. This is pigmented, my guy. But the brush is definitely working, but it's not as precise as I would like it to be. It's really creamy, it's really pigmented. I just don't know how to use this brush, but overall I love this. The thing I was most excited for. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. The Morphe X James Charles eyeshadow palette. What? Hi sisters. First of all, the names on the colors, like look, code James 10% off, Spooky, Benny Boutique, Shook, Punch Me, sister. You may be wondering, why is this on a drugstore makeup haul when it's literally a James Charles X Morphe palette? Let me tell you guys, it is not really a James Charles X Morphe palette. It's not made by James Charles X Morphe. No, it is a knockoff. It is a knockoff, and I 100% know that because why? Because of the price. So that's why I'm even more excited to try it, to see if the colors are going to be quality either way. Like this, and the next line, and the next line. That was not made for dark brown skin. That was not. Yeah, let me do that on my head. Oh, Zimba, what a easy mama. Last but not least, the neon pink. Yep, that is it. We are done swatching all the colors on the James Charles palette. Some were very pigmented, some were not, but I'm going to enjoy using it. Next thing I'm gonna show you guys is face primer. I've never owned a primer before in my life, and I'm not even familiar with this brand. I'm not familiar with this primer, LA Pride face primer. It doesn't say if it's mattifying or not, but I do hope it's a proper primer. It's transparent and it comes out little by little, so you definitely won't waste this. Feels like oil. I think I put way too much. It feels like rubbing like oil, but it feels like light. The next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is, of course, foundation. So I got the Blossom Baby Skin Foundation, which is the mattifying or waterproof oil free in the shade 08. If this is not my shade, we're gonna just cry. It comes with a seal. Put it directly on my face. Oh my gosh, it looks like my skin color. Guys, it's so dark. I get so happy when I see foundation that is my color. When did I become red? I just hope it's those foundations that oxidizes to my color. Okay, let's talk about the beauty blender. Next product I'm showing you guys is this Huda Beauty Powder Pouch, and you can like use this side to apply your powder. Blending it so chic. Let's ignore the fact that my face is red, because this foundation is 100% full coverage, spreads very nicely. Okay, in real life it does not look red. Next thing is this concealer, Adventure Makeup Blend Pro Concealer in the shade 06. Look, it comes out like this for easy application. So creamy. I love the concealer already. It's so easy blend. I obviously did not make a mistake with the color I chose, so we're gonna go in again with that concealer. Let's blend this out. Look at that blend. Look at that blend. Next thing I want to show you guys is this translucent high definition setting powder. So I'm just gonna let this set. Next I'm gonna show you guys is mascara, and this is the EveryBeauty Angel Smile Volume Mascara. You can't see it because of the eyeliner, but you guys, my eyelashes has doubled in size. Can you see that? So I'm going to take this off now. Wow, this is actually blending away. I was so nervous that it was going to leave like a white mark on my face. It's literally blending away so smoothly and leaving my face so matte. Lastly, I will put the lip gloss again. The Beyond Beauty Lip Oil with Vitamin E. So let's try it now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first hand, I definitely absolutely love this product.
On the track.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom.
That is it for this makeup haul / full face of drugstore affordable makeup video. One thing I definitely should learn how to do is put on lashes, because I feel like lashes will definitely pull this look together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I may or may not go take some pictures today for the gram, so definitely follow me on Instagram.